how you study matters. This is a concept called deep work versus shallow work. Okay, and if you read Cal Newport's book on this, you'll probably resonate a lot with this concept, which is essentially just that not all work is created equal. Certain tasks require less cognitive focus or sort of mental effort than others, and some tasks require way more sort of brain points, right, or mental effort. And for example, replying to emails and replying to texts and stuff like that can be considered shallow work, right? Things that you can just kind of do. It doesn't require as much sort of mental effort. Whereas, for example, writing a book or scripting a video can be considered a more cognitively demanding task and therefore a deep work task. What a lot of people ignore is that Spanish is actually a deep work task. It's not like this task that you can just kind of do willy-nilly and expect to get good results from. Effort, because it requires a lot of mental effort. And so it's not something that you want to be multitasking. This is also why people who do Duolingo never get fluent, Like the meme of like Duolingo motherfuckers, when you ask them to say something in Spanish, it's like they don't know what to say, right? Fundamentally, 1 hour of kind of being on your phone, half-assing the study is less effective than the person who puts on noise-canceling headphones, puts their phone on silent, and fully locks in on the work. It doesn't matter what they studied. And by the way, if you're just getting started, I highly recommend joining the Speedy Spanish Hub. It's a free community I created with a bunch of free resources and guides to help you start learning Spanish with these methods. And it'll be the first link in the description.